Man, this velocity is very weird. Yo, but the effect is kinda cool. Oh, the target stays the same. The target stays the same. And that's why, oh, when we move, the target stays the same when we're moving. Oh, that's why what's happening. No, I don't care about the air friction. Yeah, I get what the problem is. I get what the problem is. Because in Raylip, they do the camera a bit differently. In Raylip, they define a camera by a position and a target where the camera is looking at. And here, currently, the camera just orbits around its target. Kinda. Like, I need to make changes to the camera target. It's very weird, man. It's very weird.